Hi, I'm here with Tom Donofrio from Central Semiconductor, and we're going to talk a little bit about custom solutions. Tom, in the power area, custom capabilities are very important because you've got to deal with a lot of form factors that are tough and efficiency parameters that are tough. Can you tell us a little bit about how that process works when you have to define custom components and assemblies?
Sure. I mean, usually we start right from the basic level of the wafer, the die. If there's any kind of special metallization or any kind of diffusion that we need to do, we do that starting at the die level. And then we work up to the interconnect. In many cases, that interconnect is really vital. In many cases, we're putting gold wire bonds on to give us a higher level of reliability and a higher power factor. And then we'll work down to the power factors of the actual packaging, depending on that particular die. Putting all of that together, we do then high reliability testing to ensure that it's meeting all the requirements of that device.
Tom, what's a typical scenario for why someone would come and ask for something custom made instead of something done with off-the-shelf components? Why do they do that?
Sure. Well, usually they're running into a situation where they have some environmental constraint. It could be a case of a moisture sensitivity, and they're looking to develop something that has a special interconnect or a special seal so that they can eliminate that. Also, any of the metals of the actual die, the wafer, may have to be removed as well. So in most commercial products and even some industrial products, that's not something that the other manufacturers are doing. And yes, I think they do try to go to some of our competitors, but usually they'll come to us afterwards and say, is this something you can help solve for us? And in many cases, we can.
Are there volume constraints for doing stuff like that?
Well, there's always volume constraints. In many cases, these type of developments have some, non-recurring engineering fees involved, and the companies understand that, and they're certainly willing to put that investment into this solution. And this is something that's a long-term product for them, so if we can solve this up front, amortize that cost over a longer period of time, then I think they're able to realize a more cost-effective solution.
Tom, if people want to get more information, where do they go?
Sure, you can always go to our website, www.centralsemi.com.
That's great. Well, that's a good summary of why you need custom capabilities sometimes, so thank you for that.
All right, you're welcome. Thanks, Lee.